Sending out some mail today. J. Rogers, I might as well wait till I get your trap jaw, bruh. But yeah, that's what kind of day it's gonna be. What's good? Bearded Pop Hunter here. Today I'm just riding around, see what the stores have. It's been a minute. We did some thrift store shopping. That was pretty cool. I need to see some things in store. I need to pick up the Emperor's New Groove Pops. I need to spend some hot cash before it expires. I thought I had way more hot cash, but I can only find 2. So anyway, we're gonna go see if we can spend some of that. Hopefully we find something to spend it on because there's nothing in the store. I do want to see that Diamond Mickey. The homie Pop Vultures picked it up and displayed it in his video, and it looks pretty good. But I want to see it in person, so I'm gonna see if I can find that. The Emperor's New Grooves Pops are out. There's 3 from that wave that I need. I need the llama, I need Cusco in llama form. I kind of want Crump, but it's not a need. I definitely want Yzma, and I have to have the Emperor. I have to have Cusco. It's a reason why, you know, if I can't say it, but there's a reason why I need it, and there's a reason why Bibby needs it, and a couple of you viewers need it. But with that being said, we're gonna try and find that. Other than that, man, ain't nothing really popping out here in Virginia. Hopefully y'all had a great weekend and y'all got some good finds. Kind of trying to tone it back a little bit until February hits, because I know some heat dropping in February. Homie PV also picked up the Michael Myers 8-bit. I likes that. I don't like 8-bits whatsoever, but I need that, and I need the 8-bit Barb from Stranger Things. That thing looks amazing. I need that. The Freddy, man, I can pass on the Freddy. But the Jason I need, and I need the NES. I wish they would come out with an NES pop version of that. So, that's on today's hunt. I'm gonna go get an updated list from GameStop so they can print me out one, so I can see what's coming. And that should be it. Oh, as Abel would say, get it while it's hot. This jazz looks dope. I like that. They can't get them shits away. Let's go check on these pre-orders. Also want to give a special shout out. It's not pop related, but the homie Jacob K. I can't pronounce your last name, brother. Jacob Knop. I don't know. I hope I'm not chewing it up too bad. But this is a local guy, local pop hunter in the area where I live. He's also a subscriber and viewer on the channel. We've done a few trades. Good dude, man. He recently signed his contract to join the military, and he's leaving tomorrow, Tuesday. And man, I just want to wish you well, brother. Hey, you a good dude. I like you personally, and I hope we keep in touch, you know, even after you start your career, and I wish you well, man. So with that being said, salute to you, brother. Thank you for joining. Thank you for your future service, and I wish you well. Now this is dope right here. I like this. 1,000 pieces, $90. Shit. Hey Cletus, this is what I want to see you build next. Or Ultra Radical. Some shit like this, man. That's dope too. It's dope.
Right here and right now.
Ain't got nothing. I got more Hawks though. Shit. Boxes look decent too. These hammers, I might get one. Should I? 50 bucks? Hell no. What can I say about chasing Rob that hasn't already been said? So I'm sitting here watching him while I'm driving around hunting today, with no intention of going back to Walmart and no intention of buying a WWE figure. But as I'm watching this video, I had to pull over because he was playing Ultimate Warrior in his intro, and it got me hyped up. I watched it at least 7 times. There's a figure in this video that he picked up that now I have to go get. So if you haven't watched Chasing Rob, go check him out. He picked up some pretty sweet stuff today. Although the BB-8 that you got for your kids was kind of bogus because it can't compare to yours. That's messed up, bruh. Yeah, I mean, you're gonna get them the watered down version. Anyway, I'm heading back to Walmart now to see if I can find this figure because I have to have it. Ultimate Warrior is my favorite wrestler, and I need to have that figure to go with the other one that's in my display behind me when I do videos. So let's go hit up Walmart and see what we can find. This is the one you should have got him, Rob. The joint opens up. Nope, they ain't got it yet. Damn it. Nah, they ain't got Ultimate Warrior yet. Should be soon. I should give me one of these. Many times I beat Jeff and Rob. The Madden belt. Yeah, Madden Championship belt.
Later that same evening.
Yo, what's good? Back at the crib. Today was pretty productive. I didn't get what I initially set out for. I was looking for the Emperor's New Groove Pops. And thanks to Chasing Rob in his video, I now want the WWE Ultimate Warrior. I think it's Elite Fig he said it was. I'm not sure of that. But I do have an old school one from WrestleMania. And that's just, I need that figure, man. I need that. I need that. So Rob, thanks a lot. I ended up using one of the hot caches that I have. I don't even know where the other one is. I know I had 2. I found one. I used it. Whatever. There wasn't even 3 pops there that I wanted. So even with the $15 off the 30, it still came to like 26. Apparently, the diamond pops are $2 more than the normal. Hot Topics pops are probably the highest out of all the stores, I believe. $12.50 for a pop. That's ridiculous. But when you're getting the diamond collection, diamond exclusive, whatever you want to call it, the Mickey, I actually don't like it. I might return it. The wife wants to keep it. I don't care for it. Now that I have it in my hand, it looks dope on video. It looks dope from a distance. I don't like it. I actually want to boil it and get all the glitter off so I could just have a common Mickey pop. Yeah. We got Mickey. I think it's the best so far as the glitter pops are concerned, because Ursula was terrible, Tinkerbell was terrible, Dumbo was good, but Ursula was garbage, and the rest of them had just been whack. But this one is done pretty good. I just don't like it. So the wife picked up Trixie Mattel from the Drag Queens RuPaul line or whatever, and it's a Hot Topic exclusive, but she tricked it out. She customized it, and that's where the diamond sticker has gone from the Mickey pop. She has glitterized it herself. I done told you about that shit. Sorry about that. She did that shit again. But yeah, she customized it. She put the diamond exclusive sticker on there, and she did an awesome job, I think. These look better than any of the diamond exclusive pops. I mean, she tricked it out. So yeah, this is the pop. Fully customized. Look at that glitter. Complete with the bow. What's that? The eyeshadow. This is why the Funko Pops don't look good, man, because it took some time for her to do this. And they can't devote the time to each and every pop. So that's why it looks rushed. But this is awesome. Dope. So yeah, Trixie Mattel, customized. The wife, Funko, hit her up since y'all don't have time to commit to each pop. Sad. And last but not least, I picked up another Evil Lyn. I gave her away, so I needed to replace her. So yeah, Evil Lyn from the Master Universe. I need to find one more Stratos, and I'm done. Complete set. Update for the pop that I didn't get. He got his pops. I tracked it. It was delivered. I haven't got mine yet, so karma. You gonna get yours, bruh. You will get yours. So as you saw, I went to GameStop and I got me a updated list for pops. It's 5 pages long. I'm happy to say that some of the lists that we've seen online, as far as Instagram, because I'm on Instagram, check me out. As far as Instagram, Reddit, you know, other things that you see online, I guess it's true. So, Coming to America is getting 2 pops, and I can't be more happy, man. The Super Troopers, I'm excited about. Weird Al Yankovic, I'm kind of curious to see what he's going to look like. The Incredibles 2 Pop Ride, I'm excited to see that. I want Frozone. Please make a Frozone from The Incredibles. I need that. I'm extremely excited about The Sandlot. Yo, The Sandlot, for real. The Princess Bride, yo, back in the day watching that as a kid. I'm curious to see that. But Super Troopers, I definitely need. So I'm going back tomorrow and put some more money down on some pre-orders. The Coming to Americas, yo, Simi and Hakeem, dope, dope. There's definitely gonna be a wave too. You gotta have King Jaffe Joffer. You gotta have the woman who was barking like a dog. You gotta have the fat dude that was singing, "He's your queen to be." Yo, Jake the Snake. I'm curious. Another Bob Ross pop in overalls. Come on, man. Definitely want that Chase from the Garbage Pail Kids. I used to have all those cards with the hard-ass gum in it. Dope. Anyway, let's get back to the haul. At GameStop, yes, as you saw, I found... I'm not into the figures, but it was a Chase, so why not? Mortal Kombat, Sub-Zero, it's a Chase. Why not? It's $9.99. I had $5 on the card or whatever, so I paid $4 and some change for it. Why not, man? It's pretty dope. It looks, I mean, you know, it don't look bad. I like it. I won't get any other ones, even though I do like the common Sub-Zero. But nah, I won't be getting any more of these. I only got it just because it's the Chase. I don't really care for them, but why not? So yeah, didn't really get what we set out for, but anytime you find a Chase in the wild, it's a good thing, so you can't complain. If you haven't already followed and haven't heard, yes, I'm on Instagram, so go on over there, check me out, the Bearded Pop Hunter, at Instagram. I don't know, Instagram.com? I don't know. Just go to Instagram, type in the Bearded Pop Hunter. You'll find me on there. Follow, like some pictures. I don't know. I'm still new at it, so bear with me, people. If you're not a subscriber to the channel, please, please, please hit the red button, like it, subscribe, thumbs up, comment, please. Right now, my phone's messed up, so I can't really comment to everybody like I normally do. So bear with me on that. I should get a new phone probably Thursday. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for the support. We appreciate you. You guys rock. If you're watching this, you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Please like, share, and comment. And as always, I'll see you on the next hunt.